Okay, check this out. Today I'm going to show you how to make high protein overnight oats. This is a really easy recipe. It comes together in like 5 minutes. There's no cooking. You set it all up, you put it in your fridge. In the morning, your oats are ready to go. It's a really good breakfast. It's got 410 calories, 30 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, 50 grams of carbs. And I tell you, this keeps me going well into lunchtime. So normally I was eating cereal and I'm hungry by like 11 a.m., 10:30 a.m. So I'm hitting my protein goals. I'm eating a healthy breakfast. It's good on the go. I'm going to mix up a batch for 4 days. And so I'm going to reuse this old yogurt container. And let's go ahead and get right to it. So the recipe here is 1.5 cups of milk, which I've already measured out here. I like whole milk, so that's what I'm using. You can use the milk that you like. Protein is all coming from supplements. Okay, so I've got, here's collagen protein. 2 scoops of this is 20 grams of protein. So again, I'm making this batch, it's for 4 days. This will get split up 4 ways when I'm actually eating it. Now we're gonna give it 2 heaping teaspoons of whey protein. It's not quite heaping, but that's okay. A little bit more heat. I'm gonna give that a little bit of a stir just to start to get the powders to settle. Make sure they're not sticking to the side. And then I have this handy dandy, one of these milk frothers. So this is $5 on Amazon. And I'll go ahead and froth this for a minute, not to get any air into it, but just to help break up the clumps. When we add the oats in, it's actually gonna help mix it a little bit better. You can see it kind of stirs and then sometimes it hits a little burr when it hits the powder. So just stir that for a minute. We don't have to get all the clumps out right now. We are going to mix the oats in and the oats will help kind of agitate everything in. Next ingredient is 3/4 cup of yogurt. I'm using, again, whole milk yogurt. This is vanilla flavored. Should have mentioned my protein powder is vanilla. My collagen is unflavored. Stir in that yogurt a little bit. Just gonna stir as we go each time. Next, it's gonna be 3 big tablespoons of chia seeds. These add just a nice texture to the final product. Stir those in. Okay, now we're going to add 2 whole cups of oats. I'm going to add 1 cup first and stir it in, and then I'm going to add the 2nd cup. So there's 1/2 cup, there's 1 cup. We'll stir this dude in. Just kind of work it in. It seems like a lot. I'm getting kind of full here, but these oats will actually sink in and start soaking up liquid, and you'll see I can actually fit 2 whole cups inside this. I do this all the time, so I know it's gonna work, even though right now it looks a little sketchy. Sometimes just kind of work them in first. Okay, so that was 4 half cups, which is 2 cups. Okay, that's basically it. That was 1.5 cups of milk, 3/4 cups of yogurt, 2 scoops of collagen, 2 scoops of whey, and 2 cups of oats. I'll put the recipe in the description. I'll put a link to that little stir in the description and to these supplements. You're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. You can see what it looks like the next day. This is one I've been eating out of for a few days. It's kind of gelatinous. You can eat it just like that. It's fine, it's good. It doesn't taste gummy or anything. It looks kind of gummy. But if I have time, what I like to do is dilute it with a little bit of milk. Okay, that's it. That's our final product here. You can see topped it with little blueberries and shredded coconut. You can top it with whatever you want. Nuts, berries, peanut butter, almond butter. Give it a taste here. Okay, so it is oatmeal. You have to like oatmeal to like this, but it's creamy, it's rich and delicious. It feels really decadent. We actually call it breakfast pudding in our house. If we're on vacation, we'll eat our cereal and then we'll eat this for breakfast dessert. But I actually eat this every day. The blueberries is really nice. Fills me up. Again, 400 calories, 30 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fat. 4-day batch here. So make this, try it, let me know. What do you like to put on it? What variants would you do? Would you try a chocolate one? Would you try like cookies and cream? I don't know. I'm going with vanilla and blueberries. That's my favorite. Anyway, this is delicious. You should make it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.